Good morning, guys! Happy Wednesday! Meron akong microphone na ginagamit dito. And because, since nabili ko tong DJ na to, hindi ko siya nagamit. And ngayon, today, itatry ko siya kung ano yung magiging output. Yes, ko muna si Uncle Google. Is blue mic recording audio? Is blue light recording audio? Nood muna ako ng tutorial. Nag-ask lang ako dito sa ang Google kung working ba yung aking mic. Ako na talaga. Maaga pa po and tulog pa yung mga bata kaya. And today, pizza day today sa school. Hindi pa ako nag-empake guys kasi ayoko ma-excited si Alice kung makita niya yung luggage. I'm gonna pack on Friday na. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days. 4 days and 3 nights. Yung sa Monday pala, yung coming back namin dito. Pakaaga yung flight namin. From here, ano kami from here? 18 hour, so it means from here 6 p.m. Kung saan kami nakatira guys, yung pinakamalapit na airport is yung sa Ottawa Airport, 20 minutes lang. Hindi na kami pupunta dun sa Montreal. Ang Montreal, nandito kami sa Quebec province, no? Ang Montreal is 2 hours, like 2.5, depende sa pag-driving yung kape. Nowadays, yung aking video is very short lang. But I am trying as a daily vlog, no? I'm trying kahit na very short, and I am trying na ma-reach siya ng 10 minutes. At least 10 minutes. For my daily vlog. Oh, tingnan niyo yung labas namin, guys. Makikita ako na mostly. Marami ka ng damo na nag-start turning green na rin yung grass dyan. Kita ko na yung hose. Yung hose pala hindi. Hindi ko pala yung naligpit. May notification na ako ng ready to go. Check in for your upcoming stays now available. Check lang natin. Marriott. Ang nakaganda kasi dito sa amin, like kung associate ka ng Marriott, ang nakaganda is meron kaming discount ng paglalaroan, no, char. Paglalaroan talaga. And beginning April 14, sa birthday ko pala guys, may another discount na naman kami na code na kung ang mag-check-in doon is kami talaga na associate is going to be more discount. Yung code namin ngayon magagamit ng immediate family like husband or kids. Pag nandun kami talaga is sabi doon is more daw. More discount, we'll see. Sa hotel rate na 325, magbayad lang kami ng 100. Ganun yung sa amin, no? Ang nakaganda. Kasi associate ako ng Marriott, which is very good and I am very thankful. It depends kung saang lugar. And also, yung rate namin na discounted, magdidepende rin yun, maglalaro yun, no? Many variable, like especially number 1, yung occupancy ng hotel. Residence in, kasi nag-email na kasi dito na pwede na tayong mag-check-in. Free to siya, free breakfast. And then, yung room niya, bachelor type. So, bed, my living room, my table din. And meron siyang kitchen. 2 days akong nag-gym like straight, Monday and Tuesday. But yung muscle ko is not that soaring that much na like 2 weeks ago kasi I don't stay more long. We weights ako. Ano tawag dito Yung repetition ko Yung set at saka yung repetition. I don't go that higher numbers at yung repetition. Set is 3 but sa repetition, instead of 15, hanggang 10 lang. So mostly, nag-i-ache talaga yung aking mga muscle, no? After sa gym. Like, but today, no. Axel, come! What will you say? Thank you, Mom! Kain! Mapapansin nyo guys, tahimik lang po talaga yung Axel ko. Nagsasalta lang siya ng gusto niya. Trigger na talaga siya. Like yung one time, last Sunday, every Sunday, usually nagpipizza kami eh. Gusto niya ng more on pizza, pero gusto niya is yung toppings lang na pepperoni. And sabi no, if you wanted a piece of pizza, kunin na lahat, hindi lang yung pepperoni, iayaw niya. So gusto niya masusunod. So nagsalita siya ng pizza please. Snacks for the kids. Here, Alex, Mama is preparing snacks. Go get potato crackers, banana chips. Uy, it's in the dishwasher. No need to climb. You see it? Yeah, go get for Mom, please. Thank you. Ritz and Goldfish. This one, huh? Messy.
Look at this.
It's a mic for this one, DJ. It's a mic. See, bonjour guys.
But you guys.
So this is a microphone. So it's a microphone,
The
guys.
microphone, guys.
Magkasing pangkad na kami soon ni Alex. Malapit na kaming same height ni Alex. What's for Mama? Mama is doing the vlog. Nang mag-retire na talaga itong lunch bag mo lang. Gisi niya. Guntingan lang natin to. Dito lang naman yung nasira, guys. Ibot na yun. No, Halloween is for October. Don't talk about Halloween because Halloween is October and after that
And that's
it's gonna be fall, then winter again. We're still in spring. We're gonna have Canada Day. We're gonna have our summer. Come on. Put cream. Canada Day. Oh my God. That's your jacket. Nandito na si Axel and waiting nang kami para sa school service. Double check the muta, Axel. Blue. Come on. Nakalabas na po yung mga bata. Tanggalin ko lang yung aking mga pinagsusuot. Time check. Ay, kakapasbay lang ng maaga yung sundo nila today. Or late yung school bus. Today, mag-start ako ng alas 10. I am very lucky guys, no? Kasi employed ako. So, yung sahuran natin, may matatanggap tayo as long as meron tayong hours. So, meron tayong expected na sahod every 2 weeks. And with us also sa work, ang pinakamaganda sa work, kung nasaan ako ngayon, is very competitive yung salary namin. Benefits is very good. Halos wala akong binabayaran sa aming benefits. And yung basta lahat yung coverage, kahit nga yung sa speech therapy ni Axel, which every session na mahal siya, every session covered siya ng insurance, but there is a limit within a year kung magkano yung bayad sa'yo. Same sa massage. Yung sasawa ko maganda din yung coverage nila, but the thing is mahal yung binabayaran ng asawa ko, like nasa government siya hospital. But sa amin, maganda yung coverage din sa amin. Less lang yung binabayaran namin, mostly yung sila yung nagbabayad, no? And 80% sa medication, yung mga ganun. And sa dental, there are a lot of things na malit lang yung bayad namin. And meron kaming free food kung hindi ka makakain from dito sa bahay mo, kung wala kang tinapay, just, you know, just in case, no, wala kang tinapay, wala kang gatas, wala kang kape, wala kang tsaa, wala kang juice, like, I mean, doon sa work, free. Kahit maglumos ka pa ng kape doon at tsaa, free. Hindi ako nakapag-laundry, 2 araw yung off ko. Tambay ako sa gym. Buti sa gym ako nagtatambay. Wait. Yesterday. Ay. Malaki din palang gastos ko sa off ko kasi while nagpa-nails ako, nagpa-eyelash ako kasi to treat myself. Char. Ako na talaga. And yesterday din sa mga bata kasi and gusto ni Mr. na siya fili. Sabi ni Mr. That's okay. So dito sa amin, in charge ako ng pagkain, grocery. Pero pag hindi naman ako bumibili, kasi nag-add to cart ako, makikita ni Mr. na wala, bumibili naman siya. Makikita niya. So, namimili ako every sahuran, but sometimes yung malaki talaga ng grocery. But kung makita niya na wala, kasi, especially yung fruits, kaya nag-add to cart inyong inahan. Instead na 4 na fruits, kinds of fruit, 2 na lang kasi nag-add to cart. Ready for work! Worky! Weather is for which jacket? Okay, may certain jacket na attach. Ito yung gamitin ko. La la la. Pinalitan ko po yung aking jacket kasi it's not that, hindi pa spring guys, bash yung na-attach. Malamig yung ginamit ko. First time ko siyang ginamit itong mic. Let's see kung anong magiging kalabasan. So pag mamaya, pagdating ko, i-export ko yung video ko kasi maybe it's much better, no? Kasi maraming nagsasabi pag nag-microphone ka, much better naman talaga at maririnig ka talaga. Kasi yung gumagamit ng microphone, mas clear and maririnig mo sila. So what is kaya? Ano tayo nito? Na mic. Ang tagal man ni Mister. La. Naghihis pa. It's for mommy. Oh, you got band-aid on your face, Alex. We leave a tree. Oh, Silbody, it's going to be your first. Yes, we need to go early. Actually, it's first day and first time with the
In the airport, we do everything the same. We have to go around. It's okay.
go around, and also there is a Wi-Fi in the airport. You make me feel good. Akala ko lang. Wow.
Does it make you feel? You understand me?
Nasa bahay na. Bahay na po kami. I think I'm eating. Oh my God, I see the grass now. Sabi ko pala kanina nun na I will try to import ko yung video. Napuno po yung aking labahan. Dadalhin ko lang po ito sa baba. Kasi itong mga damit ko. Para meron pa akong maimpake. Sabi ko, ihatid ko lang to sa baba, guys. Light colors na pwede naman yung ano, basta hindi lang siya malubad. No? Binibilhan ko ng lagayan. Gift pala to ni Ate Rowena. Oh, shout out. Wala na siyang gamit. Yung maghanap siya, kaya lang wala na siyang gamit kasi meron naman ako yung laptop na yung ginagamit ko, very accessible and easy. Syempre dito, yung ano namin, washing and dryer in here. Remember dati, ito yung sa bar na nilalagay namin, kaya lang paknit na yung leather niya, little storage. Kaya ito siya, itapo na din yan. May vanity sink, may mirror. Ganda yung mirror. Mirror on the wall. Is the most fairest of all. Terno yung nabili ko ng painting. Oh, ito pala yung nabili ko na moisturizing cream na 90%. Yung kalahati dito nilagay ko doon sa vanity sink sa taas, sa living room. Shower. Nakalimutan ko na to. Ang laman dito. May chips pa. Ginawa naman to. Ang siklak dito. Ano pala to siya? I think kung naka-spaghetti ka, ilalagay mo siya dito. Ganyan. Pag naka-spaghetti ka, no? Dalawa to, guys. Yung isa is box. Saan pa ito nanggaling? Ay, sa hotel to. Ito, bago pa siya. Kasi doon kasi sa hotel, mga lost and found sa hotel na like, halimbawa, may nakita ka na lost and found and then, ilagay doon, ano, tawag dito ito pala, karatula pala to, guys. Kasi, nagpaparinta kami ng karatula to, yung ilalagay mo sa harap ng bahay mo pag wala kaming, like kung yung house is for rent. So, it means for rent. Bugsok mo lang to sa harap ng mo. 3 bahay yung pinaparent namin. 2 duplex at saka 1 townhouse. And yeah. Dito siya nilagay kasi in case pag magpa-aloe kami. So ito, itago natin yan dyan. So ito, balik tayo dito. Nakuha ko to sa hotel kasi yung mga lost and found na hindi siya kiniklaim, maglalagyan yan doon ng time frame like for 3 months kung hindi talaga siya i-claim. And tapos may box yan doon na container na ganyan lagay doon kung sino yung gusto ikunin mo lang. Kuha ko to siya, iwan ko ba bakit ko to kinuha. And ito din siya kasi bago pa siya, guys. Ito nakabalot kaya pala nandito to. And ito din $16. Nakalimutan tong dalhin. Sucks. Para lang akong magtatango nito. Kunat talaga. Well, I think I'm gonna close my vlog. Magpapasalamat pala ako sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng aking YouTube channel. Thank you all, and I wish you have a good evening, or have a good night, or have a good morning, or have a good afternoon kung saan man kayo. That's all for today, and thank you for watching. Be good. Bye!